Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Basman and Bagyashree Thipsay. This game was played in Eastbourne in 1991. Basman had white pieces and he started with h3. Believe it or not, this funny opening has a name. Clemenz Opening. Black to move. d5 and e5 are both considered okay, but f5 is not. In our game we have d5, white to move, b4, another funny move, knight to f6, knight to f3, e6, attacking the pawn on b4, defending, black to move, knight from b to d7 was played. Perhaps c5 should have been considered, and if b takes on c5, bishop takes on c5, and black is okay. Back to our game. Knight from b to d7, e3, bishop to d6, c4, threatening c5, c6, knight to c3, so if c5 now, then bishop to c7, knight to c3, and Thipsay castled kingside. Bishop to b2, rook to e8, queen to c2, a5, but Basman played b5. c5, white to move. How would you continue? Perhaps bishop to e2 looks like a sensible move. But this is not a sensible move game. g4 was played. d takes on c4, bishop takes on c4, knight to b6 attacking the bishop, bishop to e2, bishop to f8, g5 attacking the knight. This was expected. Knight from f to d7, h4. Not interested in castling. White king is quite happy and safe where he is. Knight to d5, h5. Black would love to open the position, but how? There are no pawn levers. Knight takes on c3, bishop takes on c3, b6, perhaps intending bishop to b7, bishop to d3, threatening bishop takes on h7, f5. If g6 is played, then h takes on g6, and if h takes on g6, there is checkmate in 1. Rook to h8, checkmate. Back to our game. f5 was played, pawn takes pawn on f6, en passant. Knight takes on f6, knight to g5. 3 attackers on the pawn on h7. Rook to a7. Let's take it back. What is wrong with h6? Then bishop to h7, check, and if king goes to h8, then knight to f7, checkmate. And if knight takes on h7, then queen takes on h7, checkmate. Back to our game. After knight to g5, we have rook to a7. Bishop takes on h7, check. King to h8. White to move. White played the move and black resigned, and the move is naturally h6. Black resigned. Of course, black could have prolonged the game. He was already upset because he was losing to a silly opening. For the entertainment purpose, I will show you just one line. Pawn takes pawn on h6, bishop to g6, king to g8, bishop takes rook, h takes on g5, queen to g6 check, bishop to g7, bishop to c6, queen to e7, rook to h6, king to f8, bishop takes knight on f6, bishop takes bishop, queen takes on f6, queen takes queen, rook takes queen check, king to g7, rook to f3, e5, rook to g3, king to g6, king to e2, bishop to e6, rook to h1. With an extra piece, white is easily winning. Did you ever lose to a silly opening? What do you think of this game?
And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.